about your Ace record? You got a radio on there? That Lazy Acres, you got a radio on there?
Go ahead, brother.
Is that Lazy Acres right there?
Yeah, come on with it.
How we doing today, sir? You're looking pretty good strolling down the old Turnpike here.
I appreciate it, brother. A little chilly out, right?
Yes, indeed. We don't get this very often, so I'm actually enjoying it.
Yeah, it's not so bad. It could be a lot worse, right?
10-4. Hey, man, well, filming on the Turnpike gets kind of sketchy, you know, with this 4-lane here. But I'm getting a good look at you. I'd love to know more about the truck and yourself while we got a good path of traffic to run in here. Who are we talking to there?
My name is Jeffrey.
10-4. What you running there for a truck?
This is a 92 W9. 12.7 Detroit.
10-4. What you got on there, and where you headed?
We're just strolling down here to Davenport from Birmingham, Alabama.
How long you been trucking for?
Been trucking 21 or 22. Been owner operator 8.5, maybe 9 years now.
Very nice.
Yeah, mainly run the southeast here. Then up to Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, but mainly try and stay in the south if we could.
When I seen that truck go by, I was sitting over there by the junction for the Turnpike and 75 there, and I looked over and I said, "What the heck is that? It looks like one of them trucks from New Jersey, PA area."
I live in Lower Alabama, but I'm from the Northeast originally, but I've been down here quite a few years in Alabama, but yeah, no, like I said, I run up there quite a bit, but trying to stay out of the snow right now, you know?
I heard that. The truck has a really, really clean look to it. That's what caught my eye when you went past, and that window on the back of the sleeper as well. You know, I definitely had to get another look at that.
Yeah, no, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, we put this window, my brother and I put this window in this sleeper before we put the sleeper on, but I got it off of eBay. Came out of like an old, 60s or 70s van. Got a crank open, it opens up, and just trying to do something a little different, rather than just the basic square window in the back.
10-4, looks pretty sleek, man. I like it.
Appreciate it, man. A nice little unit there yourself.
Yeah, she does all right.
Got it.
Now I'm curious. You said you grew up in the Northeast. What made you migrate down to the Alabama, southern area?
Love.
Was that a love? L-O-V-E?
Yes, sir. Yeah, my wife was born and raised in a little town in Lower Alabama. So once I met her, and I took her to her house a time or two, and I knew that was somewhere where I could definitely find myself living. And after about a year or so, decided to kick it on down to Alabama and never look back.
Right on. Well, you might as well, give your wife a little shout out there, and also the town you live in if you want to.
Yeah, my wife, my business partner, my partner, her name is Skylar, and we're from Sampson, Alabama.
Getting to meet you there. Well, I'm going to hop off right here and spin around and head back up toward the old Wildwood. But like I said, a pleasure meeting you, man, and hope to see you here pretty soon. And that truck would look pretty good sitting over there at the 75 Chrome Shop truck show coming up in a couple of months there, right?
Yeah, I'm kicking it around, man. I got an old antique that I might bring down there for the show. Kicking it around now. It's a little too far out to make a definite decision or not, but yeah, I'm gonna try and get on down there. That's a good show for sure.
Yeah, man. All right, man. Well, take her easy, and I'll see you another way there, right?
For sure, my friend. Thank you very much, and Happy New Year to you, man.
Thank you. You too.